Please welcome the one and only Robert Herjavec.
People always overestimate what they can do in 1 year and underestimate what they can achieve in 10.
This region is so exciting. There's a desire to innovate.
And you're as handsome, like in person, as you are on TV.
Nobody cares who you are. Nobody cares where you came from.
Size, money, experience, history, none of those are guarantees for success.
It's all about the value that you can add.
People pay for value. They only pay a certain amount for a salary. People that do big things learn how to scale their time, people, and teams.
Constant, forward, momentum, always trying to be better.